Hey, how you doing? I'm Gordon Gabbert, developer of the Slam Master practice training drill paddle for pickleball. I want to tell you about Stan Eiler. I met this guy down in Florida playing pickleball, doing tournaments, and the guy was amazing. He introduced himself to me and he told me about all his credentials, and he is the man of patents. He's a great idea man, wonderful guy. He is the real deal. If you end up working with this guy, you are blessed, I'm telling you. So Stan Eiler is the real deal. Just to add something, Stan came to me and he gave me this idea for a practice pad to hit the sweet spot on a pickleball paddle. And he gave me the idea, and it was just wonderful how he's just a very generous guy and a great idea guy. If you work with him, I totally recommend him. He's the real deal. Stan Eiler, you rock.